To use WorldPay Sign Up, start by visiting the WorldPay website and clicking on the Sign Up button. This will direct you to a registration page where you will be required to provide some basic business information, including your business name, address, and contact details. Next, you will need to choose the type of account you want to open, such as a standard account or a more advanced account with additional features. The standard account is suitable for most small to medium-sized businesses, while the advanced account is better suited for larger businesses or those with more complex payment needs. Once you have selected your account type, you will be asked to provide some additional information, including your business banking details and tax identification number. This information is required to verify your business identity and to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After completing the registration form, you will receive an email from WorldPay with a link to activate your account. Click on this link to confirm your email address and set up your account password. You will then be able to log in to your WorldPay account and start setting up your payment processing facilities. To set up your payment processing facilities, you will need to configure your payment gateway and choose the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards, debit cards, or online banking payments. You will also need to set up your payment receipt and invoice settings, including your business logo and contact details. It is also important to note that WorldPay has a number of security features in place to protect your business and your customers from fraud and cyber attacks. These features include tokenization, which replaces sensitive payment information with a unique token, and 3D Secure, which provides an additional layer of security for online transactions. To get the most out of your WorldPay account, it is recommended that you take some time to familiarize yourself with the online interface and the various features and settings available. You can also contact WorldPay customer support if you have any questions or need help with setting up your account. In conclusion, signing up for a WorldPay account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the time to set up your payment processing facilities and security features, you can start accepting payments from your customers quickly and securely.